I've made a funny spec commercial for Casio with my watch.
Introducing Casio MTP-V006, a plain Jane analog design with date function and water resistant up to 50 meters, as per se in the box, but I haven't tried. Giving you a quartz movement that requires you a battery needs to be replaced after a few years. Mineral glass face that you can't deny that is not scratch resistant. Stainless steel band, adjustable and durable with these evidences. Casio, built to take a beating.
So hello guys, today magsushoot tayo ng spec ad for my Casio watch. This is not a paid ads, so passion project lang siya. And here's the setup. So white background, tapos nag-ano tayo ng light sa baba pointing upwards to create that light beam or light parang galing sa baba. And then sa baba na light is we're using the Godox SL60W, and yung sa key light natin is itong non-light FS300B. And for this vlog, we're using the A6400, and for the spec ad, we're using our FX30. And let's go. Okay, so yung first shot natin is naka-Lazy Susan. So yan siya. Tapos gumamit tayo ng adapter, macro adapter from Meiki, and ito yung set natin. Yan yung setup. So yan yung looks. Yun yung looks for the macro shots ng dial ng lens. So let's shoot. So ito yung next natin na scene is ganyan natin siya. Kung nakikita nyo. Yan. And ito yung look niya here. So ganong angle yung ginawa natin is para doon sa strap niya or sa bracelet. Doon magfo-flow yung focus into the dial. So kung bakit natin siya ginawa. Okay. Next is, so this shot naman is showcasing natin yung mga flaws and dents ng relo, since medyo funny spec ad to. And here's the look. Kita nyo ba? So ang ginawa natin is inayos natin yung light towards semi-direct, and also lalagyan natin siya ng movement yung lighting. Ang gagawin natin is i-move natin ng paganto, and paganyan yung light, para nang sa ganun is magkaroon naman siya ng drama doon sa entire image or sa look na gagawin natin. And medyo close up. So let's go. 2, 1. So I guess dalawang shot na lang yung kulang, is yung may sand and also yung may tubig. May tubig and meron siyang gold na dust for closing. And I guess that's it na. Let's go. Oh, I forgot na wala pa pala tayo ng intro shot or introduction shot. So gagawa tayo ng intro shot, maybe silhouette for the intro, and also let's see titignan natin kung magagamit din natin siya sa final output. And maganda na yung secured, di ba? This time ang gagawin nating shot is papadaanan lang natin siya ng ilaw. So yung mga madalas na ginagawa for product photo na cringe na, pero gagawin pa rin natin. And yun, papadaanan natin siya ng tube light for the bezel, and also for silhouette nun. At para nang sa ganun, medyo may cringy na intro man lang tayo. At least. So, let's go. Patayin ko muna yung key light. So, nakalimutan natin yung shot for the water resistant or water resist na features nitong watch. So, here it is. Mag-i-spray tayo pero close-up shot pa rin naman to. Macro shots ng text na water resist. Kasi spray lang natin ng spray na water and also with glycerin. So, let's go. Okay, so next scene naman na tayo is yun ay sa may sand bago tayo mag-forward towards dun sa may liquid and gold na texture. So, let's go. Maglalatag tayo ngayon ng sand. Sana hindi siya maging sobrang kalat or sobrang messy. And hopefully this works. Mapunta sa final cut natin. Okay. So, let's try to put in this scene. Okay. So, I guess pwede naman na yan. Pwede naman na ata to. Let's see. Okay. So, this glare comes from sa light na nagbabounce. So, what we need is to move the lights over here para nang sa ganun yung effects. Okay. So, let's see. Let's turn this off. Okay. Pulutin muna natin. Let's put it here. Okay. Let's try another one. Punasan natin ulit. Tapos, isa pa tayo. Towards to... Okay. Nice one. Okay. So, I guess nakuha ko naman na yung look na gusto ko sa sand. Yun nga lang, yung parang magpa-pop siya doon sa gitna ng sand is hindi natin nagawa because na kailangan natin ng rig out na table para nang sa ganun nakaganon siya. So, magpa-pop siya ng ganun and also matrabaho. And, yun, another cost yun. So, ito, ginawa lang natin itong spec ad lang naman. So, maybe, kapag meron tayong client out there. So, okay. So, nasa last part na tayo ng shoot natin. And, ito yung last scene or maybe gagawin kong closing. I don't know. Pero, naisip ko lang siya na maganda. So, yan siya. May gold dust. So, yan yung watch. Tapos may gold dust na ganyan. So, ayan, yung gold dust na yan. Papagalawin natin yan. Parang something na look like that. Ewan ko kung napapansin nyo. No? Kung nakikita ninyo yan. Nakikita nyo yan. So, ganun. Ganun natin siya papagalawin. Let's go. Okay, so, we're shooting na. Pero, kailangan muna nating pagalawin tong mga gold dust. Okay, so yan siya. Ayan yung look. Ganda, no? So, let's try naman natin ng walang watch. Para meron tayong mamask. If ever na kailanganin natin yung mask. So, ito naman yung look ng walang mask. Ay, ng walang, ano pala. Yan. See? Ang ganda, no? Tapos may dumi. Ganun. Isa pa. So, yan yung look. Yun. So, yun na yung last na scene natin. And that's it. So, I hope you enjoy this video. And kung may natutunan ka, don't forget to give it a like. And also, subscribe ka na rin para nang sa ganon, sa mga next upload natin ng mga video like this one, maybe may matutunan ka din. And come with me with this journey sa ating YouTube channel and see you on the next one. Bye-bye!
Introducing Casio MTP-V006. A plain Jane analog design with date function and water resistant up to 50 meters. As per se in the box, but I haven't tried. Giving you a quartz movement that requires you a battery needs to be replaced after a few years. Mineral glass face that you can't deny that is not scratch resistant. Stainless steel band, adjustable and durable with these evidences. Casio, built to take a beating.